PartsArena Pro, Required Parts feature. Here we will show you how you can share the parts you require with a third party such as your supplier or back office. In this demo, we identify the required part by conducting a search for a backseat part number. The search results are displayed and we can navigate the PartsArena hierarchy to get to the parts list. Here, we can tap on the required part to view all the part information. Tap Add to Required Parts to add the part to a work order of your choice. The message along the bottom confirms the part has been added to the Required Parts section of PartsArena. We can now select the required part and press the address book icon along the top. Here, we can quickly set up a chosen contact for the parts information to be sent to. Input a short description, an email for the parts information to be directly sent to, and an account number. All of this information will be saved within your PartsArena address book for future use. We will now select the created contact and directly share all of the required parts information. A pre-populated email containing all of the required part information can be instantly sent to the contact added from the PartsArena address book. Start your PartsArena journey with a free 2-week trial today.